I often stress on the importance of teaching and telling my followers and my audience, that is, those that are trading, the importance of trading it safe. Don't spend more than you can afford to lose. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose while trading the forex market. But now, e get some kind pattern we just no follow at all. Now, by saying you should trade what you can afford to lose, there are some specific trading, amount that you bring into trading that is completely unacceptable. For example, I got one of my, trainees asking me that, Alpha boss, can I use $10 or $20 to trade in the market? Can I use $50 to trade in the market? Like, how much they expect to get if you use $10 or $20 to trade in the market? No, let's be realistic. I know I always emphasize on trading, playing it safe. But seriously, how much you go intend to get if you trade $10 or $20 in the market? Now, there is a reason why your mentor or your forex trader is seriously emphasizing on using the minimum of $100 for trade. If you want to trade, you use $100. Why? There is a reason to it. And that's what I'm going to tell us in this video. Now, for those of you thinking you can use $5, $10 to trade, see, my brother, it's best you just wait. Either use the money and go and eat shawarma, or just go and save. Go and save very well and prepare yourself. Because the truth is that money is too small to trade in the market. Okay, now, please take note that what I'm about to say now is not financial advice. Okay, I'm just trying to expose some of these things so that you don't think your FX traders are trying to rip you off. They are not. Okay, so there's a reason why that $100 is necessary. There's a reason. The reason is because if you use $10 or $20, it is too small. For the crypto market, in order for you to use $10 or $20 to trade effectively, it will require you to increase your leverage from the usual 10x, 5x, 15 to 20x. Now, you will now be raising it to like 30, 40, 50x. And believe you me, that's like a roller coaster. When you hear easy come, easy go in trading, that is how it happens. Even to the point that there are some people that will have $100,000 or $1,000 for a trade. You still see them increase their leverage because why? They want to earn more very fast. So that is the reason why traders lose money when they trade the market. So if you know you have a big amount of money, let's say minimum $100, okay, and you want to trade, you can reduce your leverage. That is also another way of trading it safe. But if you come with $10 and you try to increase your leverage very fast, two things will happen. You either make profit very fast or you lose the entire money very fast. Now, that's what we do. If you come to the forex market and you want to trade, okay, and you want to trade in the forex market, you don't need $10, $15, or $20, even $50 can't work. You need the minimum of $100 and above. You can do more than that if you so please, but that is the minimum, $100. In fact, some of the mentorship fees that your mentors charge is even that amount. So you want to pay $100 to a mentor to learn how to trade. Then when it's time for you to trade, you'll be using $50, $5, $10. How's that now? According to Gege will say no be animal behavior be that. Now animal behavior be that. You are trading to making profit for yourself. So you should even consider raising the stakes higher when you want to trade than just keeping it simple. So that is just the thing. You need higher capital for trading. Then you reduce your leverage for crypto. For Forex, what you need to do is you need higher capital, then you reduce your lot size. There are a lot of people that when they are trading, they tend to use high capital and they tend to increase their lot size. Now, if you use little amount of money, like $10, $5, $15, $20, and you want to trade, imagine that kind of setting whereby it will now have to force you to increase your lot size. Because the money, you think to yourself, this money is little. So the only way I can just, make a difference is by increasing what? the lot size. And when you increase the lot size, that would increase the level of speed at which price action will go, either up or down. And it will also increase the volatility. That means where you hear people, like I said, when you hear people say, easy come, easy go, this is how it happens. Little money, because if you use little money and also you use lower lot size, let's say 0.001, okay, you will see that the way the price will even be moving will be so slow that you'll be asking yourself, when are you going to make, a decent amount out of your trade? Why? It's because the money you are using to trade is little, but you want to gain much. Now, if you want to gain much with little money, we'll need to force you to increase your leverage for crypto or increase your lot size. That's just it. And if you do that, two things will happen. Money will easily come for you and money will easily go.